Good morning, friend. I am so happy to see you again. For today's episode, I want to bring you on a little shopping trip. We are going to shop at a local farm. When we return home, we will turn some of our farm-bought goods into a lovely little supper. So please fasten your seatbelt and take a drive with me. New York's Hudson Valley boasts some wonderful farmland. I like to take advantage of the myriad farms and farm stores here.
Follow me out, down to the bay. Forget all the worries. When you're with me, let every wave gently kiss away some of the hardness from those brief yet gloomy days.
Today, we are visiting Hawthorne Valley Farm. Since 1972, Hawthorne Valley has been producing high-quality, biodynamic and organic foods while providing farm-based learning experiences for children and adults. The farm includes dairy cows, vegetables, a creamery, an organic bakery, a sauerkraut cellar, and more. I will post a link to the farm's website in the description below.
Stay up till late.
I see a potato salad in my future.
As we let go, no more illusions,
And here are all of the ingredients I need for a fresh, fabulous coleslaw.
mornings standing at your door. Brighter than our mornings come before. Brighter than our mornings. Don't be late, my dear. Life won't wait, my dear. Don't be late.
These beautiful cheeses are produced right here at the farm. The farm also makes its own yogurt and quark.
The road ahead is clear and in the light is clear. Don't be late, my dear.
I love that Hawthorne Valley has organic olive oil and maple syrup on tap.
My dear, don't be late.
I also love how Hawthorne Valley supports other local brands.
Don't be late.
I decide to buy steel-cut oats in bulk. You guys, this place is amazing.
When the evening falls across the land.
What a beautiful farm. I could spend the entire day here. In the comments, let me know if you like to visit your local farms and farm stores. On the way home, we decide to stop at Margos flower stand. I purchased a bunch of fragrant peonies that were grown right in Margos' garden.
See parts of you on my heart. bodies interlace, slow and easy.
Well, that was a fun day of shopping. I really do love going to our local farm stores. For an early dinner tonight, I'm going to fix a hamburger that I will serve on a brioche bun, and I'm going to make coleslaw from the fabulous cabbage that you and I bought at Hawthorne Valley Farm. The first thing I'm going to make is the sauce or dressing for the coleslaw. So I have about 1/3 cup of mayonnaise and about 1/4 cup of sour cream, a tiny splash of apple cider vinegar, about a teaspoon, and a teeny amount of local honey. Again, about a teaspoon. I've tried coleslaw without any added sweetener, and it was just not that interesting to me. So I always like to sweeten my coleslaw just a little. And we need some salt and pepper. Give everything a mix and then set it aside. So I have half a head of green cabbage here. I'm going to cut it in half again to make 2/4, and then cut out the core. I'm adding the green cabbage to the bowl. Then I'm going to add just a small amount of the red cabbage. Actually, this is a purple cabbage. Core. Add the purple cabbage to the green cabbage. Now I want some carrot. This is one of the carrots that you saw me buying at Hawthorne Valley Farm. Every carrot in that bag was huge, and the carrots are organic, so I did not have to peel them. I simply scrubbed them really well. And I'm going to grate this on the holes of a box grater. I like to use 2 forks to mix. I should have used a bigger bowl. This is one of the healthiest side dishes you could possibly make. That is perfect. It's not too much mayonnaise, it's not too much sour cream, but everything is evenly coated with the dressing. Here are my toasted brioche buns. Since there is mayonnaise in the coleslaw, I'm going to put barbecue sauce on the brioche. Grass-fed beef. I think this hamburger needs some raw onion. We're going to eat this in the Serpentine Garden. We are roughing it this evening. Have to try the coleslaw. I love the crunch and the flavors from the 2 different kinds of cabbage, and that little bit of honey and the mayo and the sour cream and the apple cider vinegar. This is really superb coleslaw. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed seeing one of our local farm stores and also the local flower stand. I look forward to bringing you along on more such trips as the summer progresses. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.